We are on the popular Park Road in Salford M6 within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital to show you this beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, this driveway providing plenty of off-road parking to the side, nice low maintenance garden to the front. Let's take a look inside. As we head inside, we're going to a porch which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. It's nice and bright. Just from here on your right provides access to the family lounge, which benefits from that bay window. Then I have the spacious extra reception room, which is currently used as a dining room and benefits from sliding doors to the rear. Added benefit of a downstairs toilet just under the stairs, and then we have extended fitted kitchen, the dining space as well. Then accessed also from the kitchen is this generous garden with laid lawn grass, decking and paving as well. The property benefits from being within catchment of Ellesmere Park High School, with easy access to several local parks and amenities, making it a great family location. It's also ideal for people in the healthcare profession, with Salford Royal Hospital just a short walk away. As we head upstairs from the landing towards the front of the property, you'll find the 3rd bedroom. Then we've got the main bedroom just through here, which is bay fronted, a good size. 2nd bedroom, which again is a large double bedroom. Then we've got the bathroom just through here with a separate toilet area through here. Properties on this road are few and far between and are always incredibly popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.